On the ITC Hub, if you click on Tools and Trainings in the upper right corner, and then go down to On-Demand Trainings, you're going to have a list of all of the on-demand trainings that are available to all of the District 202 teachers right now. In this document here, and there are many pages, many entries, you can search by a specific coach. Maybe you saw someone give a presentation before and wanted to catch up on another one. You can search by tool and say you wanted to learn a little bit more about Google Slides. You would click on Only and then click on anywhere to get rid of that menu, and it's going to filter and just include resources about Google Slides. You can search by different topics. You can search by level. And when you go through here, what you can do is, as you're picking one, you just click on the link for the resources and you have access to it. We also have links to the Summer Summit sessions from 2022 and 2021. So if you caught any of those sessions, we have the full videos for all of the sessions, and any resources that were available are linked within.